Ignorance has often led people to believe that the courtroom is the sole destination to which all law students journey. That's not the case. While litigation is no less noble, there are multiple other fields of legal practice which could prove to be interesting as well. Legal career opportunities range across corporate law practice, in-house counsel, and even opportunities at government and regulatory bodies including SEBI, the Indian Army, and the Coast Guard. And as the world actively progresses to a gig economy, freelancing opportunities await lawyers as well. Let's explore a few of these lesser-known opportunities in detail. So what does a corporate lawyer do? Corporate lawyers simply assist businesses in adhering to corporate laws and regulations. They are in charge of supporting their client with the legal process associated with the operation of a business. Knowledge in competition law, commercial contract drafting, M&A transactions, banking and financial law, and other subjects are required of a corporate lawyer. An average corporate lawyer makes around 6 lakh per annum, which of course varies with the organization you work for and your experience over the years. Journalism being a career choice for lawyers could be new to many. In reality, there are multiple upcoming and popular legal news platforms such as Live Law and Bar and Bench, which report on court proceedings of sensational cases. These platforms provide reliable news, making the interpretation of the court's decisions effortless, thanks to the reporters who have undergone legal education. Legal journalism provides you with an opportunity to make way for reporting legal news, sans any hidden agenda and over-dramatized interpretations. 3.7 lakh per annum is the average pay of a legal journalist. In India, Judicial Service is one of the most well-respected and coveted legal professions. To pursue a career in India's judicial services, you must first sit for the state-level judicial services exam. These are conducted by the Public Service Commission of the respective states. This is an entry-level exam for the law graduates to become members of the subordinate judiciary. Judicial service examination is held in 3 successive stages, namely preliminary, mains, and interview. The Indian judiciary requires learned judges for ensuring quick and accessible justice. As a judge, you could play a part in making the Indian judiciary more efficient. These opportunities range across public sector banks, the Securities Exchange Board, and extends to the armed forces where you could have rankings at par with the other army officers involved directly. Government jobs provide financial securities as well as better work-life balance. Graduates with a law degree can potentially hold roles like JAG in the Army or SEBI Grade A legal officer. Candidates who want to pursue a career in the government sector need to explore the respective competitive exams which act as entry gates to these positions. The next opportunity to look out for is that of in-house counsel. In-house counsel, despite opinions that taking up this mode of work will get you stuck in the in-house arena, are amazing opportunities for law graduates who wish to work deeply for the development of a single organization. In-house counsels have emerged as crucial players in corporate strategy. An in-house counsel has to advise and work on varied topics to different teams. This requires sufficient knowledge in laws related to contracts law, technology law, intellectual property law, real estate laws, etc. Working to empower the vision of an organization could power your passion for your work, if you have this mindset. While external law firms continue to give specialized counsel and transactional support when need, huge, high-volume routine work is increasingly being outsourced to legal services providers, which creates more opportunities. Freelancing is a way less explored scene by lawyers. If you wish to live and work on your own terms and can get over the imposter syndrome, freelancing is a must-try. There are multiple businesses who rely on individuals who offer legal services like contract drafting, legal writing, drafting specific terms, and even intellectual property work like patent searches and DMCA notices on platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. Last but not the least, we urge you to come and check out our website and social media accounts which provide insights on multiple contemporary legal issues and also provides comprehensive courses for law entrances. Good luck.